Hello everyone, this is Jimmy the Baking Bear, welcoming you back to the Homestyle Baking channel. I hope you all had a safe and healthy week. In today's video, I'm going to be making single-serve pizzas, which is a really big hit with the children. Stay with me as I walk you through the process. Let's get started.
Bread flour, water, sugar, salt, yeast, vegetable oil, and vinegar. Two minutes on low speed. Now the yeast. This is what the dough looks like after 2 minutes on low speed. Now we will switch out to high speed for 7 minutes. Okay, our dough finished mixing, and this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna let it rest in the mixing bowl for 15 minutes before I cut it up into small pieces, and I'm forming it into little balls and let them rest for another 30 minutes before I start making my pizza. Okay, I'm gonna leave this in the mixing bowl, cover it, and let it rest for 15 minutes. Okay, now that my dough is resting, I'm gonna prepare my pizza sauce. I'm using this strained crushed tomato from Aurora. Parsley and basil, oregano and thyme, granulated garlic and onion, table salt. I'm gonna let this cook for 20 minutes on medium. dough has been resting for 15 minutes. Now we're gonna cut them up into small pieces and roll them up into balls and let them rest for 30 minutes before we form the pizza. Two pieces here now. I'm gonna roll it out, then cut it into small pieces, and after that I'm gonna run out into small balls and let them rest for 30 minutes before forming the pizza. Now the balls are all rounded, we're gonna cover them and let them rest for 30 minutes before we shape them into pizza. Our pizza sauce has been cooking for 20 minutes. It's all done now. Our homemade delicious pizza sauce. We're gonna let it cool down before we spread it onto the pizza. Our dough balls have been resting for 30 minutes. They are all nice and puffy. I'm gonna roll them out into 6-inch discs. Okay, I'm working on the last piece of dough ball here now. It's all done. I have a bunch of 6-inch discs. I'm gonna leave them to rest until they're double in size. Then I'll start putting the toppings. Okay, I'm covering these now. I'll let them rest for approximately 20 minutes. Okay, our dough has been proofing for a while now and it's like double its original size. I'm gonna use this handy little tool here to create a little indent in the center of the dough, which will hold all the toppings in place. So all I do is I put this little tool here and press to create an indent like that in the middle of the dough. Like that. Like so. And this will give a little space for the fillings to stay in place and not go. For toppings, I have my pizza sauce, my homemade pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, diced mushrooms, diced onion, sliced olives, orange bell pepper, and green bell pepper. I also have some pepper. I'll make some of them vegetarian and some of them with pepper. Okay, so now I'll get ready to put on the toppings. The indent does a wonderful job to keep the sauce in. also have to keep all the other toppings in place. Don't let them flow over the sides. Okay, that's the end of one tray. I'll finish up the other two trays. Then I will add the rest of the toppings. Yeah, our oven has reached proper baking temperature, 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to put these in the oven now to bake for approximately 18 to 20 minutes. Okay friends, here we have delicious homemade single serve pizza. Over here we have cheese and pepperoni. Here we have vegetarian pizza. Over there we have cheese, pepperoni, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, olives, mushroom, and onion. I've included the complete and full recipe in the description below. Please check it out. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing, comment, and share this video. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.